Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get making a vinegar and baking soda powered rocket. And all you need is 6 things. Container, but don't use not any container. A container that has a little cap, just snap on it, don't need to twist it, okay? And a tissue, some water, a spoon of citric acid, and some sodium and bicarbonate. If you don't have acid, you can also use vinegar. Step 1, add the acid into the bottle. Step 2, add the water into the bottle and mix it. Step 3, insert the half of the tissue into the bottle. 4, add the baking soda into the tissue dome. Cap it and done! Let's launch a rocket! Back away slowly. Oh! That was a fast reaction! Next time, I'll teach you another way to launch a rocket using a physical change, but not a chemical reaction. Like and subscribe!